78% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck, not the poor ones, all of them. People making $60,000 a year, people making $100,000 a year, still broke by the 25th of every month. And the crazy part? It's not about how much you make. It never was. It's about 3 habits, 3 tiny shifts that most people never learn. Why this matters? I'm not going to give you 10 steps or a complicated system, just 3 habits. 1 year, that's all it takes to completely change where you stand, because 12 months from now, you'll either be in the exact same place or somewhere totally different. These 3 habits decide which one. Habit 1, pay yourself first. Here's how most people handle money. They get paid, they pay their bills, they buy groceries, they spend on whatever comes up, and then, if anything's left, they save. Spoiler, nothing's ever left. That's the trap. Meet Marcus, 23 years old, first real job, making $42,000 a year. Every month he told himself the same thing. I'll save whatever's left over. Every month, $0 saved. Not because he was irresponsible, because he had the order wrong. Then one day his coworker showed him one thing. Flip the order. Save first. Spend what's left. Marcus set up an automatic transfer. $150 moved to savings the same day his paycheck hit. Before he could touch it. Before he could spend it. Before it even felt like his. First month, he barely noticed it was gone. By month 6, he had $900 saved. By month 12, $1,800 sitting in an account he'd never had before. That's pay yourself first. The common mistake people make, they think they need to save a huge amount. I can't afford to save $500 a month. You're right. So don't. Save $50. Save $75. The number doesn't matter yet. The habit does. Because when you pay yourself first, money stops disappearing and it starts building. Habit 2. Know your one number. Most people have no idea how much they actually spend. They guess. They assume. They find out the hard way, usually around the 20th of the month. Budgets feel overwhelming. Spreadsheets, categories, tracking every coffee. Nobody actually does that. So here's something simpler. You only need to know one number. Your safe to spend number. Here's how it works. Take your monthly take-home pay. Subtract your fixed expenses. Rent, car, phone, utilities, minimum debt payments. Subtract your savings transfer, the one from habit 1. Whatever's left, that's your number. That's what you can spend on food, fun, gas, everything else. No tracking, no categories, just one number. Meet Danielle. She was making $3,200 a month take home. Rent was $1,100. Car payment, insurance, phone, another $650. Savings, $150 automatically moved out. That left her $1,300 for the whole month, about $325 a week. Before this, she had no idea where her money went. She'd check her account and feel confused. Now she had a number, $325 a week. When she was at $80 for the week on a Wednesday, she cooked at home. She skipped the Target run. She made real decisions instead of hoping for the best. By month 3, she stopped overdrafting. By month 6, she had $600 extra she'd never had before. The common mistake? People calculate the number and then ignore it. Knowing is not enough. Check it. Every few days. Make it a 2-minute habit. Because when you know your number, you stop feeling anxious every time you swipe your card. And that feeling, that calm, that's worth everything. Habit 3. Kill 1. Bill. You've got money coming in. You're saving first. You know your number. Now it's time to create breathing room. And the fastest way to do that is to kill one bill. Just one. Most people carry debt like it's normal. A car payment here. A credit card balance there. A buy now pay later from 8 months ago. They make minimum payments, month after month. And the debt just sits there, growing, costing them money every single day. Here's the habit. Pick your smallest debt. Not the highest interest, Just the smallest balance. Throw every extra dollar you can find at that one thing. 20 extra, 50 extra, whatever you find. Just attack that one bill. Because when it's gone, that payment becomes yours. Let's say you're paying $180 a month on a credit card. You go hard for 6 months. You kill it. Now that $180 every month, it doesn't disappear. You take $130 of it and attack the next debt. You take $50 and add it to savings. This is how habits 1, 2, and 3 stack. Marcus from earlier, by month 8, he had $150 going to savings automatically. He knew his safe to spend number cold, and he killed a $600 store card he'd carried for 2 years. That freed up $65 a month. He added it to his savings transfer. Now he's saving $215 a month without a raise, without a second job. Just 3 habits compounding on top of each other. The common mistake with this one, people try to kill every debt at once. They spread their extra money thin, and nothing moves. Focus beats scattered effort every time. Kill one, then the next, then the next. The 1-year result. So what does 12 months actually look like? Let's say you make $38,000 a year take home. You start saving $100 a month on day 1. You learn your safe to spend number and actually stop overdrafting. You kill one $400 balance in 4 months and roll it forward. By month 12, you have $1,200 in savings. You've paid off $1,100 in debt. You have $0 in overdraft fees, which used to cost you $200 a year. You're looking at a $2,500 total swing in your financial life on a $38,000 income in 1 year. But here's the part the numbers don't capture. You stop lying awake at 2 a.m. doing math in your head. You stop feeling that dread when your card gets swiped. You stop fighting about money. You start making decisions from a place of calm, not panic. That shift in how you feel, that's the real transformation. And it started with 3 habits. Not a windfall, not a promotion, not luck. Just 3 habits done consistently. You already know enough to start today. Not next month. Not when things calm down. Today. 1 year from now, you'll wish you'd started right now. Drop in the comments. Are you starting with habit 1, habit 2, or habit 3?